Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of camera not working on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Snapchat and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.